All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the app for the Vivtone hearing aids. First of all, we got to check and see if they're charged up, and they are. Left them all night. Now we take off the cap. It's magnetic, by the way. And before you can do anything, when you take these out of here, they're automatically on. So all I'm going to do is pop them out like this. Set them down there, right? Now we're ready to go. Now all I've got to do is open up the app. All right, so we're going to open up. It's called HaFit. And there they are. It says searching for devices. And it should automatically find them and tell me how charged they are. Bam, look at that. So my left one is almost all the way charged, and my right one looks pretty good too. So that looks good, right? So now this is your landing page on this, right? Let me set it down here. To go through this, what we can do is first we can do a hearing evaluation. To do that, you have to put them in your ears, okay? So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and stick them in my ears. Here we go. Right, so let's get them in there. I can already hear that they're on, so that's good. Got to get it right in your ear area. Okay, I'm ready to go, right? Now let's go ahead and do our hearing check. Now we can go ahead and do our hearing check because I'm in there. I'm going to click this, and it says tips. Okay, I know. You should go to a professional, right? It wants to allow you to use the microphone. Let's do that. All right, you can see it's just showing you everything. It's very noisy because I'm talking. But I'm just going to go ahead and stop talking, then hit start. Okay, so what it's asking me is, am I hearing 500 hertz? And I'm not hearing it. So I'm going to go ahead, this is the left ear, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say, no, I didn't hear it. Okay, still don't hear anything. Still don't hear anything. You keep doing this until you hear something. Okay, now I hear it. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit heard. Okay? And then I've got to hit skip. Now it's going to go to the right ear, okay? So now I'm going to hit this. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing yet. Nothing. Hear it. Hit heard. Look, almost the same. Then I hit skip. And now we've just did our little hearing thing. Now we can go to the control by clicking this. And in here, I can either go up or down on both. Or if I just want the left one to go up or down, I can do that. To click it up, I go to the right side and click it. Every time you do that, you're going to hear a little beep. To make it go down, I would click it here. Just like that. If I want to do the right side here, to raise it, I'd go to the right side here and click it. You hear a little beep. If I want to go down, I'd hit this. And then MPO, down and up. Let's go up. Let's go down. So basically, I just put it both on there we go. So I've got them pretty much even. You can do both ears, and the volume goes up or it goes down, or the MPO goes up or it goes down. Now, if you want to switch the mode, you can click here. If we're in a quiet room, you would want it quiet. If it's noisy, you would click that. And then it's going to switch to that. If you want to check and see where it's at, you hit it again. It says noisy. Let's say you're outdoors. You want to go outdoors. And then if you click this, it'll show you that you're outdoors. But let's go to quiet. Okay, so we're right there. Now you can do fine tuning by clicking up here. Let me show you. At the very top, we just did volume and mode. Let's go to fine tuning. Right now in fine tuning, it's telling you to go to a professional. Okay, I know. So you can change things here. And, it gives you like 90%, 8KHZ. All of this is, to me, is kind of, that's for professionals. You can change the mode down here, of course. You can go to noisy. Let's see what it does. Nothing. Let's go outdoor. Nothing. Let's go back to quiet. So that's pretty much it there. Now we can go over here. We can hit Other. And there's a noise reduction switch and a whistle suppression switch. So if you're getting like a whistling sound, you can suppress that. Ooh! All right, there we go. Let's put them back in the case. So when you're done, you just want to get them back inside there. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. Make sure they're all the way in, and then go ahead and put your cap on. And right now it's showing they're charged. You don't see any blue here. Let me pull it off. Oh, wait a minute. They're both blue. So we did use some of the battery. When this shows blue and blue, that means we used some of the battery. All right, bam, done. Anyway, that's basically how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.